competition or anything, whatever you can. But I would like you to try to write an anecdote, a little story, let's say, that you use only one sense. You focus on one sense. Yeah. So either the smell, the touch, the taste. Try to not to go visual because that's something that I suppose you use it most of. But if this is what you decide, that's fine. But that story has to reflect this emotion.
Okay, by 1 cent.
Yes.
Using 1 cent, okay.
Yeah, so you want the story and as much as you can, an anecdote or something. And of course the best inspiration is here. And so you pick one, and also if you don't find anything here to help you, I also brought this. And if this helps you, feel free to pick up one. I will leave them here because they will appear at the table. So you don't want to do whatever is here and you want something with touch and taste, you can also use one of these prompts. Again, it's edible, so it's safe, it's beautiful. I will tell you later what it is, but I don't want to influence your... Yeah? So, pick one. 7. So don't share it with anyone else. Yeah? So your story has to reflect that, because we will have a game when you're reading it. We don't want you to share what the word is, and we will try to see if we can get that emotion.
Okay, and we just choose ones of the sense?
Yes,
okay.
Try to focus on one. If that's too difficult, go with 2. It's just an exercise to try to see if you can go a little bit deeper into one of the senses. Yeah. So I'll actually, before you go, we'll have a look at the menu so you can